Hey guys, I'm going for a 1-night 2-day trip tomorrow, and I was just about to pack and then I remembered how much I like watching packing videos, so I figured why not do one of my own. So anyway, I'm going for a 1-day trip, as I said, to Kericho tomorrow. So this is everything that I'm going to carry, other than the clothes I'm going to wear, of course, which are going to be on my body. I need clothes for the next day, so I just have a pair of jeans and a top, because the first thing I do when I'm going somewhere is I check the weather on Google, and it says that it's gonna be a bit rainy but with some sun. So I just have a light sweater thing and a pair of jeans. So that's going to constitute my outfit for the next day. I'm just gonna get those in there. Right, so next is my satin bonnet. Of course, I love this thing so much. I got it from Apparel and Accessories on Instagram. And then next is my kikoi, which is pretty big, but I have this thing where I don't like using hotel towels, so I always carry my kikoi. So that's it for clothes. And then I have my underwear and one pair of socks here, because you never know how the night looks like or feels like, and I'm carrying those in this little pouch of mine. The next is my toiletries and the likes. So, and for those I have another small pouch of mine as well to keep everything in. So first of all, I like to carry shower gel. I just have this one from a previous stay at a hotel. This is the Vic Hotel. Oh yeah, this one is from Kisumu. I just like to carry it in case, I don't know. I don't know how the hotel is going to look like, so I just prefer to be safe than sorry. And then I have deo, I have lotion. I just put my lotion into this small tub thing. It's one of the old Nivea creams that my mom uses, so I have that. And then for my face, I have face wash in this plastic tube pressy thing. I got this from Miniso. They have a bunch of them, just empty plastic things, so I find it a lot easier to travel with these things. With my products in these small ones, because like I'm not carrying a huge tub for one night. So this other tiny little jar thing has my face cream. Well, it's not really face cream, it's just like whipped shea butter and a lot of other oils. That's what I'm using on my face now, so I just carry it in this little tub. I also got this one from Miniso. They sell a bunch of them. I think you get two jars or 2 containers for $2.50. I've used this polythene paper to just funga it, so that even if it melts, okay, yeah, there we go, so that even if it melts, it doesn't spill all over. So yeah, just for protection purposes. So I have those two, my face wash and my face cream. And then I also have my this small little pack of toothpaste and a toothbrush. This is one of these bendy ones. I also got this from Miniso. It's just easier to travel with. And then finally, I have my body mist. I have my, what is this? Yeah, body mist or body spray or whatever. This is just the Coco Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. I love it to death. I prefer this to perfume when I'm on the road, just cause I just prefer to smell fresh than sweet. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, so I have this. I'm sure you guys saw it if you've watched my favorites video. So I'm also carrying this if it fits in my pouch. So I hope it does. Okay, so it doesn't fit inside, so I just have to carry it separately. The next thing that I have to carry are just the everyday things that I have in my bag, if they can fit, which I don't think they can, because I'm out of space. I'll just have to carry this bag together with my you know, sling or like everyday smaller purse. But anyway, so it's this pouch here that came in one of the bags that I got from Romway, if you've watched that video. So this one just has my, you know, kawaida toiletries that you carry every day, like tissue, Vaseline, lotion, yeah, etc. So that's that. And then I have one of these shopping bags just in case I buy things. Also, it's good to carry an extra bag if you go traveling, in case you come back with more things than you had before. There's extra space to carry them in. And then I have my wallet, my beloved wallet that I got from AliExpress. Then I also have my power bank and my small pouch that has my cable, USB cable, and my earphones. And then I have my notebook and my pen, obviously, because I will be on the road, so I might decide to write something down or sketch something, I don't know. This notebook is just the best thing ever and the prettiest. I got this notebook, it's actually called the Ubani notebook. I got it from Erigati on Instagram. I mean, that page is called Erigati. So yeah, they're my classmates and they make these amazing notebooks. And last but finally not least, I have my umbrella. Like I said, I checked the weather and it did say that there was a chance of rain, like a more than 50% chance of rain. So I'd rather have it and not need it than vice versa. Oh, and one more thing I forgot, I'm also going to carry my tripod. I'll just put it in this here small everyday bag just in case I need to use it. So yeah, of course I'm not carrying my camera because it's just bulky, so if at all I need to film anything or take any photos, I'll just use my phone. So I'm carrying my tripod as well. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me pack, if that makes sense. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.